Hello there. In this video, we're going to do segment 3 of the Colorado Trail. We're going from the little Scraggy trailhead down here to the Buffalo Creek. We're probably going to camp just before the Buffalo Creek. Let's get to it. There's no water around, but once you get to this high point, there's a nice campsite here. Alright, trail intersection. Another trail goes off that way to the north. We're gonna stick on. The number for the trail is 1776. It's like mountain biker mecca in here, and I see why. It's fun, flowy. There's weather coming in, so I'm gonna go ahead and go into rain mode. Something like this. Looks like that. But once you put the rain fly on, the rain's gonna clear up. I was looking for a place to go. I looked up the hill and there's a cave. Let's go into this cave. That's a cave. There is a little creek over there by that cave spot too. You could camp there really well. So that cave is at the base of this in here. We're at some kind of trail junction. Little Scraggy Trail, 765. We might be close to home for the night. I would love to camp in somewhere like this. This would be top notch. A three-way trail junction. We got Green Mountain Trail going up that way. Tramway Trail going that way. I believe if we keep going a little bit, there's a Tramway Creek. Well, this is our creek. It's looking like Tramway. And it's not really flowing or doing too much, and I definitely need water. All right, so once you get closer to the Buffalo campground or the Buffalo Creek and that, the wording is kind of confusing, so pay attention in here. But we're gonna go to the one that's another mile, because there's a stream also. All right, This is where we turn right. We gotta be close now. I could just taste that, whatever the f I'm eating tonight. I don't see any little tags on this side, but then I looked over here and there's one that's just barely not eaten by the tree. And the trail takes a left here. So once you get up here by that water, you come to a road. And I'm on the other side of that road. I went scouting for campsites. There's one up there on this side, and then there's a bunch on the other side of the creek that look like where we're going to stay. This looks like the spot. Now I just gotta see where's the best spot with the trees. Make sure one of them doesn't come down on me. Oh. Yeah. What do we have here? Looks like someone's been nibbling on this king bolete. Look at this one. How it popped out the ground. It took the sticks with it and everything. That's a big one, but I think the worms already got to it, so I'm gonna pass on it. There's mushrooms starting to pop up, hell yeah. Good night. Good morning. I'm about to get up and make some breakfast, and then we'll get on the road. All right. Alright, back off to the races. Apparently, this is Redskin Creek, they call it. There's a bunch of good camping around here. Just right past where I camped, right down there. If you stay on the trail, and you just stay on the trail, you don't have to do anything weird. There is a way better spot right off here to the left. This would have been primo. Shortly come to the Muache Trail, 759. But you want to take this left. And you start popping up. And where you camp at the bottom down there, you're in like a little hole. After the creek, it's just steady uphill. Thick, lush, green forests in here. Well, there's the bottom and the end of segment 3. That's gonna do it for segment 3. Stay tuned for the next video, segment 4.